Hello, hello. Uh, we have about 12 minutes to the market open. I had opened all the terminal except one. So let me do that. Ninja Trader. And in the password. And let's go and review today's calendar here. Unemployment situation 8:30. We got that. Housing starts 8:30. We got that. And consumer sentiment in about 40 minutes. Key question here. I guess this is updated. Yes. Prior revise 56. The market has moved up higher after that number. Let me show you. So you can see here 8:30 candle, push higher, retrace all the way. What do we have? Opening print from okay, opening print from yesterday. Opening print from. Let me go to market profile. We go to the yes. This was the day range yesterday, right? And we're about here in this area, 67. So we are at the height of yesterday. Right? So we are in a position where hey, we can take a stand. Let me show you. We can take the stand to go here. So we went up and now down, right? So we are going to open about here in 12 minutes. We'll go here, retest, and then go higher if market internals are positive. Yesterday they were negative, right? The second stance is retrace and target this low. This will take in, this will go here, bounce, and then go like that. This will take us to the close of 2025 for a negative year. And for that to happen, we need volatility. So VIX need to increase. And and these stocks here need to start trading lower. This is a cumulative tick. Let me remove this. You can see here how we push lower. We're under VWAP. Now it's just looking for lower trades, negative trades. Overall, on the internals, we have everything is going to be news driven, given that the ability of the market to really behave comfortably, meaning let me find sources. There you can be able to listen to the music in the background. Let me see. Yeah. This is on the NQ. This is on the yes above VWAP. Oh, here's a green. Interesting. Remember, here are the internals for yesterday, right? So ended up positive, but in the beginning of the morning was negative. Infotex ended negative. Healthcare ended negative. And pretty much all the other sectors. These are financial and consumers flat, industrials flat, but all of them, including utilities, were about zero point 0.5 on the day. Ticks were negative in the beginning, then the push higher never closed, traded here, push higher around 12, and that's where the market stayed stagnant here. If we go to the S&P 500, we can see here the yes. Here we can see. So this is the opening price of yesterday, and then at the closing at the high. Overnight, they trade lower, holding throughout the entire day. 8:30 number release push, and now retrace all of it. All-time highs here. It did not enter into the box. Now the question is, are we going lower for the day? Are we staying in range? Or we are moving higher? Both of the indices giving up. Overnight value higher. Bitcoin is negative. Let me show you that. The dollar is gaining some strength versus the euro. Bitcoin is inside of the boxes here, but crude 58, very interesting. Activate. This was broken. I need to update it. I don't know if they want to push crude higher now. It's clearly testing this area. Don't want to be involved. Extraordinary for gold, holding, testing this duplicate and move this here, and we can say this is bull showed, right? Where showed control. Bull showed control at this price. I close him above this, open new legs. Silver. Let me see. Maybe better. Russell at all-time highs. So now we have this box here. Remove this, and we are open officially. Remove drawing. Oops. Remove drawing. Very strong, the Russell. Let's see market internals, how they open. Wow, very strong. Infotech down. Let me give it one more minute, okay? Then going into orbit. Let me put the phone to charge. And here we go. Sharing the live stream. Streams here. And here. Russell going. Let me go and double check the yes. So Russell going higher. Yes. Holding. Opening print. The NQ is not. Why is not? Let me take a picture of this, send it to Discord. So we have it. Market internals at the open. Let me take it with annotation. So all positive, positive, and positive. Look at this. Positive, positive, and positive. Overall, volume positive across the board. Only here. And taking a print of this. Nasdaq weaker. Taking this picture. Sending to the intraday charts for reference. Internals for reference. How are the equities doing? So Tesla down Meta. Everything is neutral so far. Look at this. Here is the neutral. SPX. Let's see, because they had the opportunity to take it down. They did not take it down. You see this little rejection from the NQ right after the open. This is the open here. Drop below VWAP. Not looking great for bulls. Yes, above VWAP. Rejected here. So what we want to get is a few candles to the upside. Market internals are not deteriorating. A little bit, yes. Ticks coming down. Let me remove this and put the yes. Arch trade a buy. Let's go. See how much we can get from here. So here what we have is respect this, right? And we create 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So we enter here, we go here. It's a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio here. So the target is here, risking this much. So this is the risk. Oh, let me get. And this is the risk. This is the target. Target here. Stop here. So if we are able to hold above VWAP, it's positive. Market internals. Oh, I just realized market internals positive, tick still coming down. Advanced and decliners are not, but at least now Infotech turned positive on the day. Neutral, 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 up. Here we have Amazon and Microsoft. Let me take a look at this. Volume, top equities, and open this. So you can see Amazon here is up. And Microsoft here, it's up. Amazon going, NQ going. Let me see if it gets to target. Moving stops, guys. Moving stops. I don't want to make a good trade a loss. So we're moving targets, just moving stops. So remain the target. What is the target? 800. Updating to 800. And oh, 66. Wow, that was quick. That was quick. sell of 51 contracts and it took it that low. Moving stops. So what is this? 1,000 ticks, yeah. So if we take this here, 50 contracts, it did this. 49. What about in the ES? Maybe it was also in the ES. No, in the ES not. Oh, so I guess someone realized they were just in the wrong side of the trade. So going back to the ES, remember we were here above VWAP. The stop loss was here, the target was here. It did not reach target. We had a big sell order of 51 contract that just bloop, we moved it. And that's it. That's it. If it doesn't hold here, it didn't hold. Second retest, it didn't hold. Third retest, yes, we need your help. Oh yes, it's holding. See. Thank you. It's about to get to my stop. It's somehow more volatile than I have seen in a while. And that was my stop. It was taken. I mean, it was not as much profit that I had, but hey, we need to place a stop somewhere. And I was taken here. We can do this now. And the ES, because the ES. So here, let me do the ES here, erase everything. For the entry of the ES here. For the target, the 2-to-1 risk reward tool. So, and this is the entry, this is the stop, and this is the target. So this is the entry. Here's the stop. Market internals. So here we have down. Oh, the only up now is Microsoft. We have down Amazon. And Microsoft pushing a little bit. Google going. Apple not. Nvidia finally. EBO, Broadcom, Apple not going. Yeesh. Google not going. Tesla. So the only up is Microsoft. Let's see market internals. Infotech's about flat, but financials, consumer staple, energy down is only 2% of the whole index, 5% for consumer staples, 11% from financials, and almost 28% infotech. So not great. The ES is not holding. I mean, they're not making new highs. What I mean. Thank you. Took me perfectly. What a beast. Thank you. the ES at the stop. Done. Away. Away. Then question here is saying Q. Let me remove all these lines. So this currently consolidation. Um, so we're still above VWAP in both of the indexes. A mix, you see how here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles inside. Then we have this large sell, 50 contracts. It just was never able to go above that 80. Here there are buy contracts, but it's not working so far. Remove this, and I guess I could make this like that, right? So we can see the trade that never reached. Now the yes is giving back market internals. Ticks keep under the low. Let me check something here. Take that sun out. Oh, market internals giving back a little bit. Look, advance and decliners coming down. Nothing up now. Only Tesla is pushing. Tesla and Broadcom is pushing. The other are not. Why is not this here? They're pushing the ES. Another large drops quick on the NQ. Now it's below VWAP. Let me check. Yeah, so this became very valuable. Neutral, neutral, down, down, two down now. No up. It saved us. Oh, it saved me. It saved me. And done for the day. They had positive market internals. They could have taken it up if they wanted it. And people is selling. Where the selling is coming from, I don't know. But they are not taking the index higher. That's clear. It's true. They are not taking the index down either. So uh, that's clear as well. What do we have here? Nothing on the ES, nothing in the NQ. Oh, large sales, significant sales here. 70 contracts, 76. What? 26, and the one behind. Can you show me the data? 76. 76. So this is relevant. Large cells, much larger than this one. And now going higher. Interesting about VWAP is mingling with the VWAP, so I don't want to trade this. It's ranging here. Why is the music stopping? And we have three, four, all of the stocks are neutral except Apple that keeps going down. We can see here why, or not why, we can see here how. Top equities, Apple keeps going down. Market internals after 20 minutes. Cumulative tick positive. It's not bad. But advance and decliners are coming down greatly from 1,000 to 650. Yeah, we mentioned Tesla. Tesla. That's $1. $1. Tesla. Still mingling with the VWAP. How many contracts? 150 contracts is not a joke. Let's see if we find something here. We can do that. So we can grab the 2-to-1 risk reward ratio here. Good. We'll go this way. adjust targets and stops. And I will not allow this trade to go negative. Very tight. It's very, very tight. Maybe they take me out, but yeah. Ooh, they didn't. Yeah, now they will. What is this trades? 31 contracts, 31 contracts. But these are buys. Yeah, they took me out. Uh, fast drop again. So this was 150 trade higher. It might keep going higher. It's about VWAP and a trend push, another more buys, more buys. But what is the NQ doing? It's mixed. You see how we have the vertical lines. You see we have green, red, and so on. So that happened when it's around VWAP. So this is very simple. Above VWAP, we are looking for longs. Below VWAP, we're looking for shorts. We have the large trades here, and we like that direction. So NQ printed again, ES printed. We can do this. Let's see if we try again. Right here, failed. So we have similar scenario. Just a sell. NQ press higher, press lower. $50 contracts. You can see we're seeing large buys, but the price is moving lower. Some volatility for sure. Let's see the stocks. Neutral, neutral, down, down, neutral. So nothing on these stocks is giving it to the bulls. The only thing is it's not going down fast. That's the only thing. Can I go down? Certainly can. Go here, flexible grid. Google, it's looking good. Tesla, keep going. So now it's $2. Financials down about energy. I mean, a little bit, right? I need a push here. Let's see here. We'll have another buy, but these are buys. It pushes. These are stop losses, right? This is a 64 stop loss, and this is a 154 stop loss. So it's taking these stops. Why do I think there are stops? No, it's going. Market internals holding. Yes, it's not, right? I mean, Tesla. Now it's wow, keeps going, yeah. Order cancel, order fill. As was, it was here. Giving back again, yeah. Not done. Not done selling. So thing is, we look from all these tops, only Broadcom and Google is now up, and Tesla, which is trading at 38, right? Tesla is trading at 38. Yes, it is not up. So I'm not going. Now Apple is giving an up candle. And Microsoft is giving another up candle. Yeah. So I'm good and happy with the results. And done. And then for the day, guys. Positive market internal at the open. They flipped, turned negative, and takes it as a minus 500. The bulls, in summary, the bulls had the chance to take it higher, and they did not. They did not. Maybe they can do it later, but as of now, they did not. Russell. Interesting. Let me check the Russell. Oof. Low of the day, but remember it's at all-time highs, right? This is the all-time highs at the Russell. So if we go here, 3 time series, we can see Russell printed all time. I mean, I think it's all-time highs. Weekly, yes. Silver, 5% up. Very good for silver. Very good for silver. SPYU, not doing great. SPYU, not doing great. And that's it. I don't have that much more. I'm going to check emails. And silver is on a tear. Gold 1%. Oh, very interesting. VIX is trading higher. A little bit. Crude 59. Yes. Why is it giving me signals here? Oh, look at the delta. 1,000 contracts, yeah? just took the positive, the delta positive. 1,000 contract on the ES, nothing on the NQ. And those 1,000 contracts are maybe enough to mark this button. Let me double check. Now that I see the chart, I question myself why the shorts are not valid here. What I was thinking of. What I was thinking of. I tell you what I was thinking. I tell myself what I was thinking. I was thinking that the yes. That's 79. Yes, it's 79 right here. What time is this? 10:02. 10:02. I was thinking long here. That's why I didn't think of shorts. Yeah. But then we have a big sell off. So let me go here. We're gonna make this a good exercise. Big sell off candle. Not able to trade higher after the sell off. Breaking to VWAP. The next freaking candle. A red signal. That's 20 points there. What about on the yes? On the yes, similar story. Move here. Remove. Tell me now. Neutral, 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 up, two apps, Amazon and Google. Market internals should be better now. They're not. Market internals are not. So let me rephrase the whole day. Open positive. Market internals started giving up. Tech was leading down. Now tech is not down for the day from the open. Right? Market internals is getting weaker. And getting cold. 1 second. And now this is trading higher. So now we have 50 points in the NQ. Eight points on the ES. I guess I could open blood hands. Yeah? Market entry. So here, let's say we go long, go long. Go long. Let me double check now. Go long. Go long. Where's the stop loss here? So if I move this, back to neutral on the mega stocks. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll stop. I'll stop now. Thank you for being here. It was great. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.